Hello friends, today we have Gaurav with us who got recommended in his first attempt from SSB. He was from the first privileged batch of AFOSOP where he underwent the entire AFOSOP program by Lieutenant Colonel Ganesh Babu and interview sessions as well as personal interview by me. Let us talk to him. Gaurav, can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Kumar. I am from Muzaffarpur district of state Bihar. I have completed my class 12 to 2016. So after class 12, I was always having an aim in mind to join the Navy as an officer. But due to the certain circumstances, I joined the Navy in 2018 as a sailor. But I was always having in mind to get commissioned into the Navy. So after completing my professional, I got a chance to appear before the preliminary selection board and written examination in the commission worthy. And I've cleared it in a very first attempt and got the SSB call letter for 22nd July in SSB Bhopal. I have also cleared it in very first attempt. So the motivation of making this video to inspire all the defense aspirants who is preparing for the interview for the SSB.
Very nice to know about that, Gaurav. Now, can you tell us how did you prepare for the SSB and what were the learning values from those?
Talking about the preparation, I was keep following the videos of Colonel Ganesh Babu sir on the AFSP channel on a regular basis whenever I had time since last 1 year. So in the basic this period of time in the lockdown I was on the leave, so I have planned before that I would be going and attending the AFSP offline batches, but due to this lockdown I was not able to do that. But I came to know that sir has started the online classes, so I have joined as I was from the first batch of that online classes. So the strategy which they used to tell, because I was very much blessed to have these two officers like interviewing officers like Wing Commander Sandeep Raj sir and also the Colonel Ganesh Babu sir, the ideas and the strategy which he used to tell, I have simply applied that blindly because I was very much new. I didn't know any of the procedures about the SSB, but due to these videos which has helped me to grow and also to think a lot in a clear way. Sandeep Raj sir always used to tell that please do not prepare for the interview. What you can only do, you can analyze yourself, you can get into yourself, always speak from the heart and always be yourself. That was the real strategy and the learning values which I have learned from these two masters. And also one thing which I am not going to forget, not only in the SSB but also in the life, the Ganesh Babu sir used to tell that always try to forgive and forget. So these values has helped me a lot to grow as a good person.
Okay, it's nice to know, Gaurav, that you could learn so many things. Now, can you tell us your experience of the phase 1 or the screening test?
Talking about the screening procedure, on the reporting day on 22nd July, we have reported around 80 in number at 6 o'clock. The chest number will be provided by the serial number, like first to the repeaters, then to the skin out, then to the freshers. So after that, I was given 61 chest number in the first stage. We were given the breakfast at around 8 o'clock. So around 9 o'clock, our group has been made. Around 30 of the freshers was been taken into a single room where we were being told by a psychologist about the OIR, the procedure, how to write, and other things. After that OIR, around 40 minutes, we were given the break of 10 minutes and we were being briefed about the PPDT, how you have to write, because earlier I was not used to write, how to mark the characters, but after that classes of online by Ganesh Babu sir, it helped me to mention the character in the, like marking the character on the center of its heads, how to mark the positive moods, how to mark the ages, and how to mark the action of the stories. When it comes to the narration, we were divided in the 8 groups for the discussion and the narration test. Started the narration. In the narration, that I have always remembered that this 1 minute no one can take away from me. So this helped me a lot. After coming into the discussion, I have started the discussion. Everyone has selected me. Just number 61 should decide the common story. So after that, it was around 11:30. So we waited for half an hour, and after that we were provided the lunch. After the lunch, 1 hour, around 1330 hours, we were being the psychologist or the interviewing officer was there. I don't know who was there, who was having a file in his hand. So it was time to the results. So out of the 80, 30 has got the screened in and I was given the chest number 28. I was very much anxious because the chest number which he was telling was in the jumbled order, like for 65, then 68, then 75. I thought ki I mixed my number, I was not able to make it, but later when he told 61, I was jumped around and told my name and roll number, and after that we were given the other chest number and being provided the various other forms and told us that you will be coming for tomorrow for the psychological test at the 9 o'clock. So this was the basic experience of my stage 1.
Now let us know, how was your psychology test, your personal interview as well as your group tasks?
Talking about the psychological test, as it was being decided at day 2. We were been called in the formals at 9 o'clock with having 2 ball pens, blue or black. So before that we were given a small briefing about that psychological test, how you are going to have this stat, wet and SRT back to back, and also a small amount of break was given just to describe the test all about. So the best way for which I was waiting for was my interview. It was being scheduled on the day 3. So I was very much anxious before that, before one night before that, what type of question I will being asked, how I am going to answer. The question was repeating in my mind, and the answer was also coming from the mind. So it was very hard to sleep that night, but still I managed to do that. And at my interview was scheduled around 12 o'clock, but the interviewing officer has rescheduled my timing and called me at 1:30. So I again came to my dorm and changed my uniform and again go to that interview, and always try to speak from the heart. Sandeep Raj sir always told sir कि always Gaurav, you need to speak from heart, because when you are speaking from the heart you should not have to think that what I am to speak, how I have to speak, and what should be the answer of this question. This all thing will not coming in your mind. You will be simply speaking from the heart, and you will be connected by the interviewing officer. That's what I have did, because sometimes he smiled to me, and I was also having like one of the question he asked me that which train have you came from. So I told him, sir, Mangala Expressway. So he asked me कि why it is named so Mangala. मैं कहा, sir, it is the name of the day, so it is very much शुभ माना जाता है. Very much happy that I was thinking that he has not stopped me. So I was very much happy, and I was very much confident for my next task, which was GTO on the day 4. Talking about the experience of my GTO, like it was scheduled on the day 4, and all the GTO task has been scheduled on a single day due to this pandemic. So we were being called in the ground at 6 o'clock by taking the breakfast early at 5:30. So we were reported, all the 30 of us has been reported there, but it was being like scheduled like first 15 will be done the GTO on the 3rd day, and that 15 part will be given that 3rd day interview, and other 15 which has been left will be giving the GTO on the 2nd day, like day 4, and other which have been given, the one who has given that GTO will be going for the interview. So these were the schedule. So out of 15, the group was divided into the 2 parts, 7 and 8. So our group was of the 8 people. So the first task was the GD1. We were being briefed about that. So the first task which was given by the GD, my first GD was the foreign direct investment. GD1 and GD2 was very much normal, and very much I was able to speak 3-4 times, and I was very much happy. So the next was the GP, group planning exercise. So the model was being briefed by the GTO ma'am. So when discussion started, we were given I was also around given 2 to 3 points, and bring out to the common stories, common solution. So when GTO asked, anyone volunteered from your group to give me the group solution, so I raised my hand. So she told, after that she told, okay, let's your groups decide. So all the group members have agreed for me that yes, gentlemen, you should go for the story. I have narrated that. She has told me, the GTO ma'am has told me around 2-3 modifications in my solution, but she told me okay, it was good, you can take your seat. Again called for the next task, which was the PGT, progressive group task. So the structure analysis, which is really going to help, because in my case, as I was not gone to the ground, GTO grounds a single time, and all that I have helped from the videos of the Colonel Ganesh Babu sir, and the ideas which he used to tell by showing the videos, like how structure analysis help, because he will not give you the ideas that how to put that fatta and the balli, but he will give you the ideas to analyze that structure and to give your own ideas, because at that point of time it is only your idea which is going to help you. So I would recommend all of you to watch that videos of the structure analysis, all the GTO series of the Colonel Ganesh Babu sir on the AFSP classes, which will help you to bring out the real ideas there, because at that point of time I was not able to recall any of the learnt ideas which I have learnt back, but the ideas which I was coming by seeing that structure was the real structure only. After that, the group was divided into the 2 part, and the HGT was given. HGT was very much simple. We have completed in the 3 minutes only, 2 to 3 minutes we have taken. So after the PGT, HGT, we were being headed for the group obstacle race. And group obstacle race, there was 2 high walls were there, so which was picked due to the physical contact of that person due to this pandemic. So the most thing which will be in this pandemic will be you have to wear the face mask and the face shield at each and every time, which was one of the other load which we were carrying along with the snake in our hand. And after that we were also given 10 minutes break, and after that there was lecturate. Then after we were being taken to the ground of the individual obstacle. I have completed the 10 obstacles in the period of in the 3 minutes. The next task was the command task, so I was being called as a commander and called the two subordinates. There was little amount of talk between the GTO and the candidate about their parents, about their journey, how much attempts they have given, so what all about there. I have been asked about my ship, my commanding officer, how is he is. So these were the basic questions which I was being asked by the GTO, and I was given a task and called and asked me. She told me that you can call two of the subordinates. So I called my two subordinates, and first of all I have tried to make them understand the task, and after that we go forward. So this was my command, and the final group task was given. She has given a small task and asked how much time it will take. We have told that it will only take 5 to 10 minutes. So we have completed the task in the 6 to 7 minutes. So after the completing the GTO, she has briefed us that what is the important and what she was looking about, and don't worry if you are not get selected because of the conference was tomorrow. So she told what you have to do for the conference. So this was my experience about the GTO.
Okay, that's a really good performance, Gaurav. And I think you really did a wonderful job there. Can you tell more about the conference which you attended?
Talking about the conference, like after the GTO, we were being giving the brief by the CHM at the evening time. So we have to get ready our dress because we are the service personnel. So we have to be, our conference used to be held in the uniforms. So we were given time to press the uniform or to polish the boots and to have a keep yourself attire ready of like cap, tea caps, batches, and everything was being told us to get ready, and you should be look smart in front of the board president because everyone would be there in the uniform, and the person who in the uniform should be keep himself different from the others. So we all been called at around 9 o'clock in the morning. So we have got there. We have waited for 1 hour, and we were being given a closing ceremony by my interviewing officer only. So he told us various things about what he was looking about, SSB is looking about. So it was around 15 to 20 minutes of briefing which was given by closing ceremony given by them. After that my chest number was 28. The conference started. I was being called around 12:30. So when I was called inside, I saluted him because we were all were in the uniform. I was told to be sit. I sat down. The first question which he asked me, okay Gaurav, so how are you feeling right now? Because sir, I'm very good. Because so he asked me that what you have learned from this 5 days experience. Because sir, I have learned a lot of things because the best part was the GTO where I have learned the consistency of the group dynamicism, the communication skills, how much is important. So these all things which I have learned. So he asked me, okay, so कैसे आए आप कि मतलब रहने में कोई दिक्कत वगैरह. So I told no sir, everything is okay, but he also asked me how you are managing yourself because the cushions has been removed due to this pandemic. So I told sir, I brought 2 blankets, one I used to let down, another I used to keep on myself. So I told okay good. So one question he asked me after that कि okay Gaurav, so do you know SSB well before? मैं कहा sir, as I am fresher, I have not any ideas, I have not attended any of the SSB, but yes, I have taken the guidance from the Colonel Ganesh Babu sir, AFSCP class से. बोला okay you have done from the AFSCP. मैंने कहा yes sir. So he asked me, so what difference have you find from there and here? मैंने कहा sir, most of the things which I have learned from there I have been applying here and applied here, and I think that it was a best of my life that I have learned the things which I have learned from the Colonel Ganesh Babu sir. So everybody by listening the name of Babu sir, everybody started seeing each other and smiling. So I have also given a smile to them. Then after that, after talking about 5 to 7 minutes, he told me, okay Gaurav, we will be hoping that you will be getting recommended this time. Hope for the best. You can wait outside. So I have stood up and saluted him and get out of that room and waited for the conference results. So this was my basic experience of the conference.
How was that feeling when your chest number was announced as being recommended?
Okay, so now everything was over. We were being gone to the lunch, changed into the like we were wearing the uniform, so we have changed the uniforms and wear the formals. So most of the candidates who was being very much sure that they are out from that, they are not going in, so they have started booking their tickets by in the mobile phones, getting because mobile phone was being given, so they have started booking the tickets. I was also sitting and I have taken out my phone. A lot of messages were there, but I preferred that I will be answering them afterward. My brother was calling me, so what I have done, I have put my phone on the airplane mode because the result was being late. So we were being out around 12:30. We have completed with the lunch and all, but around 1 o'clock we have completed by lunch and all, and after that we have to wait around 2 to 3 hours for the result. The result has been announced at 4 o'clock. So the officer came by the file in his hand. Everyone was set straight that what is going to happen. He told us, okay gentlemen, your results are in my hand. There are 80 cadets who have been reported, the 80 candidates who reported here, and out of that 30 got screened in. Now out of 30, the 3 got recommended. Everybody's cheer was who is going to get recommended this time. So the first chest number he told, he first of all told ki I will be telling the chest number. You have to tell your father's name and your name. First your name, then your father's name. So the first chest number he told chest number 16. So the man was so much surprised that he stood up, told his number, his personal number, his rank, his address and his everything, but didn't tell his father's name. So he told by the officer, please wait. I was very much anxious that what about next. So the next chest number was chest number 28. It was me. I stood up. Chest number 28, Gaurav Kumar, Pramod Kumar, and he told, please wait aside. So I have taken my luggage and waited in the different area, in the other area. So this was my overall experience of getting recommended in the very first attempt.
What would be your advice for the aspirants who are trying to prepare for the defense services?
Talking about the advices for the defense aspirants, I would simply tell ki be you, be yourself, be honest. Don't try to lie and don't try to कि मैं उसको बेवकूफ़ बना दूंगा आयोग को. ये ऐसा नहीं है, this is impossible, next to possible. So don't think about that. Rather than start working on your life, start working on your achievements, start working on your past experiences, and always try to give the real examples which interviewer Wing Commander Sandeep Raj sir told, and always speak from heart. Brother, this is the mool mantra. Always speak from the heart, because when you are speaking from the heart, कुछ डर नहीं लगता. सिंपल, यू शुड बी बिंदास कि यार जो बोलेगा दिल से बोलूँगा, सच बोलूँगा. सेकेंड थिंग, ऑलवेज कीप फॉलोइंग द वीडियोज ऑफ द कर्नल गणेश बाबू सर एंड विंग कमांडर संदीप राज सर, बिकॉज द क्लैरिटी विच विल बी कमिंग इन योर माइंड बाय सीइंग द वीडियोज इज वेरी मच. One thing which I still remember of Colonel Ganesh Babu sir, which he used to tell, कि he will not guarantee the success. He will not give the guarantee that you will be screened in, you will be conference in, but he will definitely giving the 500% guarantee of the clarity. So please keep following his videos, be yourself, don't try to be fake, just follow his ideas, follow his paths, follow his guidelines.
Congratulations once again, Gaurav, and have a great life and an excellent future. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. It was all your ideas and the guidelines which helped me to bring this amount of success in the very first attempt. And special thanks to Ganesh Babu sir, whose way of teaching has helped me to lot of bring the clarity in my thoughts and also to know myself in the best way. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
That was Gaurav for you. And I hope that each one of you get recommended, do extremely well in SSB. Keep watching our videos, click on the description, and also, if possible, join the privileged batch of AFOSOP. Looking forward to see you. Thank you. Jai Hind.